Yo, what's up everyone, it's Anshuman here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're cranking up the dial and time traveling 10 years into the future. We're diving deep into 2034. From AI composing symphonies to cities controlling the weather, get ready to have your minds blown. Let's go! First up, we're tackling the world of creativity, but not as you know it. In 2034, the hottest artist on the scene could be artificial intelligence. AI algorithms can compose symphonies, design groundbreaking buildings, and write thrilling screenplays. This isn't about AI replacing human creativity, it's about collaboration. Next up, we're talking about something that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie: climate-controlled cities. Imagine entire cities shielded from harsh weather conditions. Smart infrastructures could regulate temperatures and manage storm surges, creating comfortable microclimates year-round. Sounds pretty utopian, right? Now let's talk about the future of healthcare. By 2034, nanotechnology could revolutionize medicine. Tiny robots could repair damaged tissues and eliminate diseases like cancer before they take hold. It's a future where health issues are solved before they even become problems. Chapter 4. AI Politicians: The End of Corruption. What if AI could be involved in governing our world? AI algorithms could analyze massive datasets to create effective policies, eliminate corruption, and optimize resource allocation. Humans would still be in control, but AI could ensure fairness, transparency, and efficiency. Chapter 5. Space Factories: Building the Future Among the Stars. By 2034, we could be manufacturing things in space. Factories in orbit could produce materials impossible to make on Earth, like ultra-pure pharmaceuticals and advanced alloys. Space manufacturing could reshape industries and push the boundaries of what's possible. Chapter 6. Robot Roommates: Helpful or Creepy? By 2034, advanced personal robots could be as common as smartphones. These robots could help with everyday tasks, from cooking and cleaning to providing companionship. It's a future where technology blends seamlessly with our daily lives. Chapter 7. Wireless Power: Kiss Your Chargers Goodbye. By 2034, we could live in a world where chargers and batteries are obsolete. Imagine your phone charging wirelessly as you walk down the street, or your laptop topping up its battery without plugging in. Wireless power could change the way we power our lives. So, there you have it. 7 mind-blowing innovations that could shape our world in 2034. From AI-powered creativity to wireless power, the future is looking incredibly exciting. Which of these innovations are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and here's to an amazing 2034.